Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this, we're going to continue from our whiteboard animation tutorial using the Benime App. Now please, if you've watched my first two videos on this, you're going to understand how I got to this place. So if you've not, I'll advise you to go check the first and the second aspect of this video to actually understand how we got here. And also I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like, comment and share. Thank you. So quickly, I'm just going to add another slide to this animation because it's looking short. So let me add another slide to it very fast. I won't take time, so let me just add an animation instead of a picture. Let me just add a closing animation. Okay, let me use this one. This one is looking better since I'm doing a portfolio. I'm just going to increase the size a bit. Alright, I'm going to add a text to it. Text. So let me say, contact me for premium services. Alright. Contact me for premium services at an affordable price. Down a bit. Alright, I think we can let's change our font to be the same admin app. Let's make use of this. Now what I'm going to teach you today is the duration, the delay and the pause icon. These are the icons over here. These three icons here. Stay guys. 1, 2, 3. The delay, the duration and the pause button. Now this delay button, you click on the delay button, it's going to set a time like I highlighted the test. So when I click on the delay button, it's going to delay it. Maybe I said, let me use, I'm adding time to it. Now it's in 1 second. It's in 1 second. Okay, it's in 2 seconds. If I should play the video, it's going to wait the 2 seconds before the hand is going to start typing this particular text. Let me play it so you understand what I'm trying to say now. So just watch. It's going to take up to 2 seconds. You see, it's taking time for it to come. It's because I pressed the delay button. Okay, that's for that. Let me explain the next key, the next icon there. Sorry. So the next icon is the duration. The duration now, it has to do with the speed of the animation. Now if I should increase it to, for example, okay, let me play it now, then observe the duration. This is 0.6 seconds. Observe the typing speed. It's going to type very fast. This is the delay. See, the typing was very fast. Let me show you again. The delay was there, then the duration. This is the delay. Now I see the duration of the typing speed. It was very fast. So let me increase the duration of the typing speed to, so this is 9 seconds. Now watch, it's going to be typing this. Hello, my name is I'm a freelance graphic designer content. It's going to type it very slow. So this is the delay effect. Then see, this is the duration. So you understand what the duration does. It determines the speed of your animation. So you understand what the duration does. It determines the speed of your animation. So when you are doing your animation, you should know the tests that are looking long or the tests that are looking lengthy. So you want to increase the duration so that people can have time to read them. then you know the things that are looking not so lengthy, like what I wrote here. You don't need to put it on 9 seconds. A lot of persons can read it under 3 seconds. Hello, my name is Ajan Nesini. I'm a freelance graphic designer and a content creator. That's within a second. And that's why I was telling you the first video that Whiteboard Animation app is a concise video content that you can actually do a lot of things within 2 minutes. You've passed a lot of information. So when you're using those delay, the duration, and the pause icon, you should use them intelligently. So let's just see the last one. If I call it a wrap, this is the pause. Now the pause is for you to determine the time your write-up is going to stay. So you don't. Okay, before I increase the time, I'm just going to show you the pause. Let me reduce the duration so to type fast. So let me reduce the duration to 0. Okay, now it's 0.5 seconds. Let me reduce the delay so it's going to come up on time. I'm going to reduce the delay to 3 seconds, 0.3 seconds, so it's going to be fast now. And I want to show you something on the pause, so just observe carefully. Okay, now you observe something. The text didn't stay long. Why? Because the pause is just 0.7 seconds, but I'm going to increase it now to okay, 30 seconds is too much. It's just too much. Let me increase it to 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So let's just see the difference. You're going to see that it's going to stay for some time. You can see it's staying for some time. Why? Because I paused it for 5 seconds. So that's how you can. The same thing applies to pictures. Anything you are putting on your whiteboard animation, you'll be able to navigate it using this three. You'll be able to navigate through. You're going to navigate the delay, the duration, and the pause using these 3 keys, and they are very important keys in animation. This is where you now have to be creative. This is where you now have to be wise with what ought to be paused, what ought not to be paused, what ought to have more time, more duration, or what ought to have more pause time. Because this test is long, I'm going to pause it. Because this test is long, I'm going to pause the duration. So the typing speed will be slow as you're increasing your duration. So give it a try, keep practicing, you get used to them. Practice makes perfect. So keep practicing, get used to them. The last I'm going to show you is how to save your video as a project and how to save it to your phone. How to save your video as a project and how to save it to your phone. So firstly, if you want to save it to your project, you click on this button, this icon that looks like a memory card or a scan disk. You click on this. Then if you want to download it or save it to your phone, like download it to your phone, you click on this icon here. So let's just give it a try. So do you want to save your movie project? I'll say yes. Then the second one, when I click on it, name your movie. Now it's now telling me to save it to my phone. So let me call it Whiteboard Animation course. Let me just call it animation course. So I'm going to save. Alright guys, the video is saving. So that will be all for today. So if this video was helpful and if you learned something today, please say something in my comment section, like, subscribe and share. And I'll be creating, then I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing another video on how to reduce the size of your video, because when you save this one, it's going to be looking very big. So I'm going to do another video on how to reduce the size of this particular video we just downloaded and still maintain the quality. So I think that will be all.